Alright, yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how I create my high click-through rate thumbnails on YouTube using free AI tools. Okay, now these are very attractive that will give you a high click-through rate, and you don't need to be a graphic designer. All you need is the prompt. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the kind of prompt that will give you a very high click-through rate YouTube thumbnail that you can use to be creating your thumbnails. We are going to be going over to our ChatGPT. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this, so you can use any platform, but we are using ChatGPT for this tutorial. So I go over, click on my create image. Now you're going to go over here and paste your prompts. So you can take your time to create your prompt. It is advisable you create your prompt yourself. Here I said create a YouTube high CTR click-through rate thumbnail. Here is what it should look like. The visual graphic shows a clean before and after split screen mobile frame layout. On one side, show two videos neatly stacked as an overlay with a directional motion arrow icon. The main headline text is pro peep effect, which is in bracket I put massive heavy bold font so I will understand. So this sub icon, right? The sub title text, which is the title text or the badge, quick cut app. Right? In case you don't know, quick cut app is an app just like a CapCut. So inside is solid contrast color black. Now this prompt I wrote here is the way I want it to look like. So all you need to do is to visualize what you want. It's not too advisable to use ChatGPT to be doing all those things. You can just go ahead and write it out yourself. As I wrote this prompt myself. Now I told this ChatGPT that I'm going to upload an image, which is the logo. On the prompt you can see it there. I said use the logo I uploaded in this quick cut for the quick cut logo. You can see it's on the right top. I said you use the logo that I uploaded. If you take this video back, you'll be able to see it where I wrote it there. So CapCut is going to go ahead and load. You can see here's the output of what we have designed. Right, exactly the prompt. You can pay attention to the prompt. Now this is the quick cut logo. That's the logo we gave to it. Now this is the pro peep effect. That means overlay. That's what we call overlay on CapCut. So this quick cut is a Chinese app and it's the same thing with CapCut. You can go over to Play Store and download it. Now you can see the design, the way the design look. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and design something else. I just paste on that prompt here to show another design. This time I will say now with your image generation ability, I want you to generate a high click-through rate thumbnail for this. The write-up on the thumbnail should be bold, like so. In curly brace, now I made this with AI. That should be the write-up. Okay, then write $4,000 made. Write it on it. So that's what I ask you to do now. So in the background, it should be bold. And AI logo, Claude AI, and add AI logo, Claude AI, and Leonardo AI. So you're going to add this both logo, and the size of this is 1280 by 720. That's YouTube thumbnail size. Okay, as I use the uploaded image for the design. Now I'm going to add image. So go ahead and there's an image I have that I want to use. I'm showing you how to use your image to design in case you want to design. So I on the prompts I included that you should use the uploaded image. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload the image there. So it's going to go ahead and use this image to design this thumbnail for us. Okay, you can actually take the video back if you want to pay attention to the prompt. Okay, just in case you want to learn from it, or I will leave it in the description or the comment section below. Alright, so you need to go ahead and create it for us. So guys, please, if you love what I'm doing here, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I draw so many updates on how to use AI here. Now you can see what it created for us. This is the $4,000 made. You see I made this with AI. You see the Claude AI, the logo. Now in case you don't like this design, you can reprompt it. You can just recopy the design you sent to it and reprompt it, and you go to preview another different design. Okay, so it's that easy. This is how you create your banners or your flyers, anything you want to do. This is how you do it with AI.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.